race that we're having this evening. It's a memorial race for a good friend of mine, a longtime friend and a family member, Ewan McDonald, who had his life taken tragically this year in a truck event. And this is his nephew. He's going to be out performing for you tonight in this car, and he's going to do a couple of laps here in what I call the Huey McDonald event.
Big hand. Hugh McDonald, one of the long-time guys. Everybody knows him and loves him. One of the funniest guys down in the pit. Always one of the characters that everybody knew and loved him so well. It's a tragedy for us to lose him.
There we go, ladies and gentlemen. Huey's going for his ride of the night. Let's bring the rest of the boys on him.
Here we go. Time for a little heavy metal thunder. Get the big cars, the Outlaw Demolition Derby. We got car number 27, Dave Noller. Big hand as we get these cars out there. Cheer on your favorites. Number 13, Corey Lenti. Some vintage iron there. Looks like a really nice car. Number 327, George Dover in the 327. Car number 100, Lee Temple, Captain Crunch himself. Car number 212, that's Rick Pemble. Number 53, that's Colin Brigham. And there he is, one of our favorite drivers back in the old days, 333 Hard Hit Cafe, Mike Gordon. Keep an eye on Mike, one of the hardest hitters out there. Definitely a favorite to win any race he gets himself into. We're going to put them through their paces, guys. Are you ready? Drivers, are you ready? Count down with me. Nope, oh, wait. Okay, let me get the... We still got somebody coming in. Whoa, we still got more coming in. All right. 7-Eleven out there. That's Tim Chauvin. And car number 83, Randy Malowski. 238.
In this event, honoring Huey tonight, we have people from all around. We got people from up north, and we've got people from the United States. And a lot of family members out here to put on a great show for you tonight. So ladies and gentlemen,